Autostrada are pleased to present this Mercedes A-Class A180 D Sport Premium. This Mercedes is a 2016 66 registered car and has a mileage of under 11,000 miles. This Mercedes exterior is dark blue metallic. The interior has light grey leather. The specification of this Mercedes includes sat-nav, sliding panoramic glass roof, rear camera, electric seats, heated seats, cruise control, Bluetooth and DAB digital radio. Please visit our website where you can search for a car of your choice and where you can find a finance package suitable for your needs.